That was a dude. That wasn't him.
Explain.
How you zoom this shit in?
Who going with me to the doc? Sonny, you better not be around me fighting. Sonny,
Huh?
unless you want to go with me to the doc.
If I need to wash my feet. I need to wash my feet.
Your feet.
Yeah, 'cause I ain't had no shoes on and stuff.
You kick the bitches. Oh, I ain't even know she put her shoes by me and shit, 'cause I'm looking at them.
Dang, he dragging Twinkie.
Marrow.
Slam him again for the camera. Twinkie scared. Look, Twinkie keep trying to sneak him.
Twinkie always gotta be on that team.
Every time he sneak him, that's when he slammed his ass. But he slammed the shit out of him, though, at first. I want to see that again. That shit was like, boom.
Huh?
I ain't leaving you this time.
Yo, where you going?
I ain't leaving you this time.
Who?
They went around there, I know what you're doing. More kids ain't so late.
What we doing, Sonny? You said that, Sonny. What I said is said. We're gonna say I ain't had time for this. But bitch, everybody's out here. You want to show off, make a show.
Indeed, there's nowhere in sight just now.
Did you come out? She said her, did you step on the porch?
Who did?
I asked somebody, yeah.
When?
No, on the step.
Oh.
How you gonna be so tough, but usually you be on the porch? How you gonna be that a bitch be right
Notice, they know they did something wrong by writing that on the wall. The one who lived there wasn't even outside. The only one who was sitting outside was Deanna. They probably already knew. Yeah, come on now. That's the reason.
She went in their house.
That's the reason why they wrote on that wall and they were scared. No, I was gonna crack soon as people try to swing back that ball. I was gonna crack this dumbass with it.
I can't. Shut up!
I stepped on that bitch.
She couldn't get up for me. Then we down there. I'm front. Why you gotta say that in front of us?
She trying to say that down the station because she don't want no more drama. Deanna, she said she pregnant down the station. Cause she don't want I said you ain't get to why she said that. That bitch don't want no drama. She shit ain't good. Ain't right. She don't want no drama.